This video, I show you how to get paid just to watch videos, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it, we're about to find out. This is how to earn money online by watching ad. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification on. It's free, and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. So the first step is to open your mobile phone. The second step is to click on the ads. And the final step, which is step 3, is to make money over and over again, as simple as that. So right now, let me show you the list of people from all over the world who have cashed out their earnings from this website. So you might be asking, how much can you really earn by watching ads? Well, for one ad, you can earn up to $1.50, which means if you watch 10 ads, you can earn up to $15. And if you watch 20 ads, you can earn up to $30. And if you watch 50 ads, you can now earn up to $75. And all you need to do is just use your mobile phone, or your computer or laptop. The method which I will be teaching you today is 100% free, so you don't need to invest any money at all. And this is available worldwide. So wherever you are around the world, you can do this. So in just a moment, I will be showing you how to sign up for a free account, and I'll show you step by step how to do this. But before that, comment down below, I am from blank, aka your country. In that way, I will know exactly where you're from. So in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. And don't forget, I will be giving away a lot of bonus tips that can help you earn doubled compared to other people. So make sure to watch this video until the end and do not skip any part so that you won't miss out on those important tips. Now, let's get back to the video. So you can click on ads like this on your phone or on your computer and make a lot of money like this people who are earning a couple of dollars, even over $30. Now all you have to do is come over to scarlet-clicks.info so you can get paid by simply clicking on ads. So here on the top, you can see that they have paid over $2.5 million to over 1 million members all over the world. Now let's proceed to the sign up process. So just go ahead and click on this register button at the top right hand corner. And that will then take you to this page right here where you can register as a member for absolutely free. Now you just have to fill in your full name, date of birth, your username, your password, your email address, and just confirm your email address and your password right here. After that, you can now enter your payment details where you want to receive your earnings. As you can see, you have different payment options to choose from such as Payer, Bitcoin, Neteller, Skrill, RTM, Litecoin, Dash and Faucet Pay. After choosing your preferred payment method, you can then continue with the image verification right here. So you just have to type in the letters and numbers which are shown here. And then finally, you have to agree to the terms of service, and then just click on register. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video in which I've put a lot of time and energy to actually do, I would really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button and make sure you subscribe with notification on. And if we get 2,000 likes on this video, I'll drop a brand new video next week to show you guys exactly how to make even more money online doing basic stuff like this in the comfort of your home. Now let's get back to the video. So once you log into your account, this is how it will look like. You will see a photo with a lot of small boxes. So if you hover your mouse to the lower right side of this photo, which is the last box of this photo, you can see the position. So there are 20 by 28 boxes. That means that there are 560 boxes here in this photo, and one box is equivalent to one ad. So all you have to do is just click on one of these boxes, and then you will earn money. So what you're going to do is just choose on one of these boxes right here, and that will take you to a random page. You just have to stay there for at least 30 seconds in order to get paid. For example, I click on this box right here, and that will take me to this page. I just have to wait for 30 seconds and that's it. You don't have to do anything at all. Just stay on the page and just wait. You don't even have to click on anything, and you don't even have to sign up. The opportunity is boundless because as you can see, there are 560 boxes, and you can choose on any box you like. You'll just keep on earning money over and over again. As a rundown, what you're going to do is just click on any box you want, and then stay on that page for about 30 seconds. Then you're going to earn money. Now as a bonus tip, sometimes if you click on one of these boxes and a video ad will show up. That's good news because video ads will make you earn double. So all you have to do is stay on that page until the video ends, and then you will earn double their regular earnings. Another bonus tip which I'll be teaching you is that sometimes on these pages, there are banner ads that look like this. Now, what you're going to do is click on these banner ads, because every time you click on these, you will earn extra. So what I mean is keep on clicking ads whenever you find some, because that will make you more money, as simple as that. Let me click on this banner ad right here, and that will lead me to this page where I have to literally do nothing. As I said earlier, you don't have to do anything at all. Now, if you're still watching this part of the video, please leave a comment down below to let me know that you're still watching. Now that you're still here, I will be sharing the final bonus tip that will help you earn more, and that is by referring other people. So all you have to do is just invite your friends or group of friends and your family here on this website. You can then receive extra money by doing so. As you can see here on the left-hand side, there are direct referrals, rented referrals, rent referrals, and buy referrals. However, you just need to focus on direct referrals only. So people have been earning decent money from this website, and they did that by just referring and watching ads. Now if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here, for you to discover how to earn money online using free Google trick, which is one of the best ways to make money from home.